everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is an interactive video lesson about how to add decimals with regrouping up to the 10th place, okay? And to do this, we're going to use base 10 blocks. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you take notes on the first page with me, okay? And then you have a chance to pause the video and try a problem on your own. And at the end, you can see how you did, all right? So since we're going to use base 10 blocks to solve these, it's important you understand how to use the key, okay? These little mini cubes, each one of those that you see, okay, is going to equal a 10th, okay? And if we take 10 of those, all right, those make one of these rods here, okay? And each one of those rods represents one hole, okay? And then if we had 10 of those rods, it'd make one of these blocks, okay? Which represents the number 10, all right? So every one of these blocks you see like this, it equals a 10. Every one of these is a 1, okay? And every one of these is a 10th, okay? So the way you do this is you always want to start with the smaller amount, okay? So you want to count up the number of tenths we have first. So let me grab my pen and let's count them up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, so I know I'm going to have 9 tenths as proper number. Now I'm going to add up the ones place. And the ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So notice that we have 10 ones, which is really a 10, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross these off. And I'm going to put a 0 for the number of ones, but I'm going to add a new group of 10. So I'm going to add one of these right here like this. Okay. And now finally, I'm going to add up the number of 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and I'm going to put the decimal right between the ones and the tenths. So our answer is going to be 50 and 9 tenths. Okay, so again, just to summarize, what you do is you start with the smaller amount, you add them up, okay, and then if you have 10 of them, okay, you cross them off and you add, all right, one of the other symbols next to it. So again, if I had 10 tenths, I'd add a 1. Okay, if I had 10 ones, I'd add a 10 instead. All right, so why don't you pause the video and try the your turn now problems, and when you're done, hit play, and you can see how you did. All right, good luck. All right, welcome back, friends. Let's see how you did with this practice problem, okay? So the first thing you want to do, again, is you want to add up the number of tenths you have first, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. Okay, we got 6 here. If I keep adding them up, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right here so far we have 10, right? So I'm going to cross these off, okay? And I'm going to add one of these long sticks like this, which is really a 1, okay? But notice we still have 1, 2, 3, and 4 tenths left. So I'm going to put a 4 right here. Now I'm going to add up the number of ones. And it looks like we now have 1, 2, and 3 ones. And then I'm going to add up the number of tens. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 tens. So our number is going to be 73 and 4 tenths. All right, how'd you do?